X Shock True Wireless Sport Earbuds. A great pair of truly wireless headphones ruined by an uncomfortable fit. On paper, the Soul X Shock ticks all the right boxes. It claims a 60-hour combined battery life, water resistance, easy pairing and all for a very reasonable $170, about £123, 218 Australian dollars. The Soul X Shock True Wireless Earbuds look like every other wireless earbud, which isn't a knock against it. It's just that it's hard to innovate on aesthetics with such small earbuds. We had the all-black version for testing, but Soul sells the X Shock in white with a cool transparent earbud shell, letting you see its innards. The case of the Soul X Shock is surprisingly beefy until you find out that it's housing a 3,000 mAh battery. That's almost as big as some smartphones, which means you'll be able to recharge the X Shock 18 times for a combined battery life of 60 hours. The battery is so big that Soul cleverly integrated a full-size USB port to allow users to top off their smartphones in a pinch. Assuming you can get a good fit with the Soul X Shock, noise isolation is good but not the best. You'll get some ambient noise from the outside world, which is actually nice if you're walking around the city, but don't expect to be in your own anechoic chamber with them on. Sound quality, assuming good fit again, is very good for the price. Bass is nicely extended and offers nice punch. Mids are lush and warm with highs being slightly rolled off at the top. Soundstage was also pleasantly wide, which is quite a challenge with earbuds. It's a shame that the Soul X Shock True Wireless Earbuds have such a poor fit, as we actually quite liked using them. The sound quality was excellent and the battery life was unparalleled in this segment. Unfortunately, the Soul X Shock just didn't fit our ears, and with only 2 sizes of ear tips, we think many others will have the same problem. iPhone users will want to stick to the Apple AirPods for seamless integration with iOS. Android users will want to try out the Jabra Elite Sport, which fit much better but doesn't sound as good as the X-Force. Audiophiles should check out the awesome-sounding Sony WF-1000X, which feature active noise cancellation. For a first try, the Soul X Shock are impressive. Here's hoping Soul goes back to the drawing board and design a pair of earbuds that fit a bit better.